Controller setup on the drive 500, 600 and 1000. Alarm setup. To begin, press and hold square for 3 seconds. To enter program mode, buzzer beeps twice, which represents we have now entered program mode. Scroll to the left to advanced menu. Press on the square to enter. Scroll to the right to controller setup. Press on the square to enter. Scroll to the right to alarm setup. To enter, press on the square. Gate jammed open. Use this feature to adjust the length of time the gate is permitted to remain open before the alarm activates. Press on the square. Currently it is on 5 minutes. To change, I'll make it 7 minutes for example. Press on the square to save. Next feature, scroll to the right. Onboard alarm feature. Use this feature to enable or disable the onboard buzzer from sounding whenever the alarm activates. Press on the square. It's currently enabled. To disable, scroll to the right. Press on the square to save. Next feature, scroll to the right, which is the alarm output invert. Use this feature to set the alarm output to switch to 0 volts to disable, or switch from 0 volts to enable in an alarm condition. Press on the square. It's currently enabled. To disable, scroll to the right. Press on the square. Once complete, press on this X. Alarm setup is exited. It will take you back to controller setup. To exit once again, press on this X. It will take you to the advanced menu, controller setup. To exit once again to advanced menu, press on this X once again. To exit to standby mode, press on this X. Programming mode has been exited.